Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 in 1 minute instantly in 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, I just want to say thank you. I'm getting closer and closer to 6,000 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep liking every video. Keep sharing every video. And let's get there, guys. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is UserFeel. So I've talked about this website before in the past. So what you're going to be doing on this website is giving your thoughts on apps and websites. So it says here, quick and easy user testing. UserFeel is the user testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use your website or app. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. It's 130,000 qualified testers worldwide and 200 plus happy clients. And as you can see here, it's trusted by Home Depot, 99 Designs, a lot of reputable companies, Loads. So a lot of big time companies trust this website, guys. Now, once you come to this website, once you log in and everything, click right here where it says become a tester. And it's going to take you here. So, become a tester and earn $10 per test. So you're going to earn $10 per test. And you could probably earn even more, guys. But you can click right here to see how it works. So let's just look at one of the questions. So right here where it says, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store or going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. So that's all you got to do, guys. That's very simple, very simple. And all you need is to have a computer, or you can have your phone and do this. Now, I'm not going to go through all these questions, guys. If you want to check out a little bit more and learn a bit more about this website and what they offer as far as you being a tester, just go ahead and come to this website. It's UserFeel.com. Now I want to show you one other website or app. I want to show you this app, guys, that is similar to UserFeel. Okay, guys, I went ahead and went to the Google Play Store, and I pulled up this app. The name of the app is MeThinks, Money for Thoughts. So it's similar to UserFeel, but they pay a little bit more. And I'm going to show you in a minute right quick. So let's look at the screenshots. It'll tell you a little bit about this app. So share your thoughts, make money, talk to researchers, test new apps and games. And as you can see here, they'll pay you $100 to test apps and games, guys. I'm telling you, this is a good app. And they also have lots of paid gigs you can check out. And here's another great thing about this app. Get paid weekly. So you're going to get paid weekly, guys, to do these tests. So let's just scroll down here and just read a little bit more about this app. So your opinion is valuable. Share it and make money in your free time. MeThinks connects you to businesses that pay for your feedback and opinion on a wide variety of topics. Talk to businesses on your free time from the comfort of your home and anywhere else. All you need is your Android. So guys, this is the app, guys. This is the app. So guys, if you combine this app with the other website, you can definitely make $50 real fast, instantly. So go ahead and download this app. It's MeThinks Money for Thoughts. And this is in the Google Play Store. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. It helped me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website or this app. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Please type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right now. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. Okay, guys. Thank you. Really appreciate your support. One more thing before I go. I want to go ahead and give another shout out. So I'm going to pop the comment across the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. I hope you're a subscriber and please keep sharing my videos. All right, guys. Now, if you want to get a shout out, all you got to do is leave a creative comment down in the comments below. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go, family. Road to 6,000 and beyond. Let's get there. Let's get there within a week or so. All right, guys. Thanks again. Hold up. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos before my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.